Check mic, check mic, check mic. Naririnig ako.
Sir, excuse po. Medyo choppy ka po ang dating sa amin.
Ayan. So, mga ulit, check mic kung naririnig ako.
Okay na po, sir. Okay na din po ang
Okay
audio.
na. Sige, thank you. Thank you. Okay naman. Maliwanag naman ha. Maliwanag. Naririnig ako maliwanag.
Yes.
Maliwanag naman po, sir.
Sige, thank you. Ayan. So bago ang lahat ay magandang umaga.
Good morning po.
Morning, sir.
Ayan. Imik naman kayo. O isa pang ulit. Isa pang ulit ha. Isa pa. Magandang umaga.
Good
morning.
Good morning po.
Magandang umaga rin po.
Thank you. Thank you sa mga reply. So, yung subject nga natin ay ito muna. Sa tunay kasi bago lang hindi yung subject. So, kaya check ko lang ano yan. So, yung code nga natin ay ME414. Tapos ang pangalan niya ay engine lubrication, engine friction and lubrication. So, bago muna siguro ang lahat ay pakilala muna ako. Ayan. Okay? So, ako nga pala si Engineer Adrian G. Barreto. Graduate ako ng Mechanical Engineering din dito sa Batangas State University last March 2008. Then, as per work experience, trabaho na ako sa iba't ibang kumpanya sa Laguna, sa Cavite, at sa Maynila. And then for in terms of pagtuturo, nakapagturo na ako dati between years 2010 to 2014. 2010 to 2014 and then nagtuloy lang ako ulit ngayon o nagbalik lang ulit ngayong start ng year 2022. Anyway, so yun ako. Dahil ng ano, na lang siguro, itataas ko na lang kapag ayan. Unmuted pala ako. Anyway, so yun. So, ang gagawin ko muna din sa ngayon dahil sa tunay wala pa naman ako hawak ngayon na syllabus. Kaya ang gagawin ko na lang muna ngayon ay i-double check yung nasa listahan against doon sa nandito ngayon. So, para di ma-double check kung tama ba yung nasa listahan na galing sa portal. Yan. Okay, so alphabetically. So parang check na rin ng attendance. Okay. Ay, teka muna, bago pala ako magsimula doon, ay sino nga ang ating representative? Yung representative natin. Ayan, si Castro. Tapos, may padalwa ba? Dapat ay may padalwa. Sino padalwa natin? Barola. Mamaya ay kakausapin ko kayo kaya basta mamaya na lang muna. Sige, salamat sa inyong dalawa. Simulan nga natin ulit kay Andonay Ernest Gabriel.
Present po, sir.
Nga pala, So, pala? Sa tanong ko na rin sa lahat ng i-check ko ngayon ng attendance ay kung sa paanong name ko kayo tatawagin or sa English nga sa English ay how would I call you? Lahat kayo. So starting with Ernest Gabriel Adonai. So how would I call you na?
Sir, kahit Ernest na lang po.
Ernest. Thank you, Ernest.
Thank you po.
Next, Aguila, Dave Simon. Kamuna, medyo laksan-laksan mga ng kaunti ang process mo. Mhm. Dave. Thank you, Dave. Next, Alvarez, Claudine.
Present po, sir. You can call me po Claudine or Claude po.
Ikaw, pangalan nyo kasi yon. So, anong sa parang name ko na lang kayo tatawag. Kayo na mag-set. Huwag nyo na akong papiliin.
Claudine na lang, sir.
Thank you, Claudine.
Thank you po.
Next, Angeles, Edsel.
Present po, sir. Edsel na lang po.
Edsel. Thank you, Edsel. Next, Atienza. Abniel. There.
Sir, nagpuputol. Sir, excuse me,
Nagpuputol-putol.
nagpuputol po.
Antay. Baka dahil malakas ang hangin. Grounded. Ayan. Okay na. Hindi na putol-putol.
Okay na po, sir.
Okay na. Sige. Atienza Adniel Delaire.
Present po. 80 na lang, sir.
AD.
80 po.
Ikaw nga, ikaw nga magbanggit ng pangalan mo.
Abe Nildler Atienza po. Okay.
Ibnil. Thank you, AD. Sunod, Barola, Alvin Anthony.
Present po, sir. You can call me
Mhm.
Ant po.
Ant, as in langgam. Tama ba?
Okay.
Sige, thank you. So mamaya ay kakusapin ko yung isa pa nating representative. So kung anong maging instruction nun ay makikinig ka ha. Dali ko ang ating padalawang representative.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Ant? Okay? Wag kayong magre-react ha. Hindi ko kasi kayo makikita sa reaction kasi sa may salita ay natatakloban kayo ha. Yan, natatakloban kayo kaya ako isasabihin nyo via audio. Audio cue tayo. Kaya sir, sabihin nyo sir, excuse. Kay putol-putol. Yung parang kanina. Kasi hindi ko kayo makikita sa reaction niya. Okay? Yan. Narinig mo ako, Ant? Baka mahina lang dating mo kanina.
Yes po, sir. Okay naman po.
Okay, thank you. Okay, sige. Thank you, Ann. Sunod, Batas, John Jeremy.
Present po. You can call me
Mhm.
na lang po. JJ na lang po.
JJ. Sige. Thank you, JJ. Sunod, ano to? Bederico, Aliana May.
Present po. Aliana na lang po.
Aliana. Tama na yung pagkakabanggit ko ng ano mo, no? Last name, Bederico.
Yes po.
Sige. Thank you, Aliana. Next, Biscocho, Ninya.
Present po, sir. Ninya na lang po.
Thank you, Ninya. Next, Kalingasan, Shane.
Present po, sir. Shane na lang po.
Shane. Okay. Okay. Ulitin ko lang. Thank you, Shane. Sunod, Cardenas, Reggie.
Present po, sir. Reggie na lang po, sir.
Thank you, Reggie. Next, Katapan, Mark Luis.
Present po, sir. Luis na lang po.
Thank you, Luis. Next, De Castro, Lucel.
Present po, sir. Lozelle na
Mhm.
lang po. Sir, clarify ko lang
Ah.
po. Ang atin pong
Hmm.
course title po ay MA Elective 1 po.
MA Elective 1? Talaga?
Yes po.
Kasi may separate kasing pangalan yun eh. Engine, friction, and lubrication. Sige, ano na lang, i-double check ko na lang kay, kay Ma'am Donna kung paano gagawin.
Sige po, sir.
Para na rin siguro maliwanag sa lahat, hindi siguro yung pag-uusapan niya natin, hindi yun yung title. Engine, friction, and lubrication. O nga pala, hindi pa tapos ako sa iyo, Lucel. No. Dahil nga ikaw ang ating unang representative, si Eddie most of the time ay makikipag-coordinate ako sa iyo. Okay?
Apo, sir. Okay po.
Ayan. Tapos, ibig sabihin nun, ay lahat ng communication ay padadaan sa iyo. Yun naman ay kapag urgent or kailangan ng atensyon ng mga kaklase. Pero pag may announcement naman ako sa Google Classroom na ako nag-a-announce. Yan.
Sige po, sir. No?
Hindi, tapos hindi na tayo gagawa ng GC sa Facebook. Hindi na. Kung gusto yung gumawa ng inyo, okay lang. Pero yung kasama pa ako, hindi na. Okay?
Okay po, sir.
Okay, sir. Sige. Sige pa, ko na ha, dire-diretso na yung extraction ko ha. So yun ha, hindi na nga tayo gagawa ng group chat na kasama ako. Kung gusto ninyong gawa ng inyo, ay okay lang sa akin. Kung kailangan nyo akong, sa general na lang muna sa lahat. Mamaya kita babalikan ulit sila. So yun nga, hindi na nga tayo gagawa ng group chat. Yan. Tapos, kung kailangan ninyo akong makausap, so contact nyo na lang ako via email. So may email naman ako sa dito rin sa Gmail ng BSU. Tapos pag urgent ay pwede namang i-contact nyo ako via yung Google Chat na rin. Yan. Pero most of the time kasi ay nasa email, nasa Gmail. Kaya mas kumbaga in terms of yung bilis ng pag-reply ay magagawa ko sa email kasi minsan ay yung chat kasi ay meron pang merong yung ina-accept pa, minsan nakatago pa siya kaya hindi ko kayo minsan nare-reply yan. So email nyo na lang ako o kaya Google Chat. Siguro pag na-accept ko na madali-dali na ako mag-reply kapag Google Chat. Then yun nga, pagkakausapin ko kayo, either padadaanin ko sa ating representative dito kay Lucel or kapag may announcement naman ako ay ina-announce ko na lang siya sa Google Classroom. Okay? So ang dahilan ko lang din doon, okay? So ang dahilan ko, kaya gano'n ang ginagawa ko, ay gano'n kasi ang ginagawa sa trabaho. May experience, katulad na sabi ko na rin naman kanina, may experience ako sa trabaho. So meron ako doong isang kumpanya na nangyari ay magkahiwalay yung pang-personal at pang-trabaho. So may maliwanag na linya between the two. Kaya kumbaga, sa meseta ay hindi naka-disable lang Facebook doon sa kumpanya. So para makapag-usap ka sa iba, edi Skype ang gamit. So separate talaga. So yung kausap mo sa Skype, hindi yung nasa loob din lang din ng kumpanya. Yan. Tapos pag may kailangan kang kontakin na sa labas, edi Facebook. Okay? Para separate. So gawin na rin natin practice yun or para malang ma-experience na magkahiwalay talaga ang pang-trabaho at pang-personal o in case sa inyo ay di pang-school at pang-personal. Ang dahilan ko lang din kasi doon ay yung Facebook ko din kasi di sama-sama. Alam kong personal doon. Ngayon, pag isinama nyo din yung pang-trabaho, ang mangyari kasi may mag-chat sa inyo na pang-trabaho pero nasa ilalim lang doon yung kausap nyo na personal. So syempre, magkatabi nga lang, literal na nasa ibabaw lang yung isa. Nasa ilalim ng isa. No. So most probably, pipindutin niyo yung pang personal. Ngayon, pag pinindot nyo na, nakatago na yung pang trabaho, hindi nyo na mapapansin. So, yun ang dahilan ko. So, para maliwanag yung division niya ng dalawa. Para yung lahat ng usapan, edi nasa Google na platform, tapos yung lahat ng personal na nyo, edi sa Facebook kung gumagamit pa kayo ng Facebook. Yun. So, para maliwanag lang. Yan. Tapos ako ibalik sa iyo, Lucel.
Yes po, sir.
Lucel? Ayan, sige. So, pag ganitong online class, at pag may tanong akong general, ay ina-expect ko ikaw yung sasagot, ha? Lucel? Ang general na tanong ay, for example nga, ay kung naririnig ako, kung nakikita ba yung nasa screen ko ngayon. Okay, Lucel?
Apa, sir. Noted po.
Sige. Okay. So, ang dahilan ko lang din doon ay para sa minister tayo may magre-reply doon sa tanong ko. Baka naman kasi nga ako'y disconnected, kaya walang nagre-reply. No? O kaya walang nagre-reply talaga. So, hindi ko ngayon malaman kung alin sa dalawa. So, kaya ina-assign ko na sa iyo yung pag-reply para ako ay notified na connected pa ako. Lucel?
Apa.
Yun. Sige. Tapos, yung isa? Si Ant. Yan. Ant, in case na wala si Lucel, ikaw ang sasalod ng kanyang trabaho, ha? Si Ant. Ayun, sige. Thank you. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yun nga. Lucel, yun nga. Dahil nga ikaw unang representative, so most of the time, may sa'yo ba kayo pag-usap, ha?
Sige po, sir.
Okay, Lucel. Sige. Thank you. Okay. Ayan, sige. Ulitin ko lang. Thank you, Lucel. Ayan, continue tayo. Ang sunod ay Di Malibot, Giancarlo.
Hello po, sir. Present po.
Mhm.
Carlo na lang po.
Carlo. Okay. Thank you, Carlo. Ulitin ko lang ulit, ha. Alam ko nabanggit ko na. Ulitin ko lang for the emphasis, ha. Kapag kailangan nyo interrupt, wala nang problema sa akin. Yun nga lang ay hindi ko makikita kasi yung pag-raise nyo ng hand kasi nga kayo nasa likod. Ngayon lang kasi gamit ko yung PC pero most of the time ang gamit ko kasi cellphone. So yung Google Classroom, ito palang Meet ay nasa background, nasa likod. So kapag kayo nag-react ay hindi ko makikita. Kunyari nga raise ng hand. Kaya ako ay i-interrupt nyo lang wag namang may pa-excuse man ng kaunti, no? Yung pag-interrupt mo. Kunyari nga ay, sir, excuse po, kayo ay putol-putol. Pwede naman yun sa akin. Interrupt nyo na lang ako ng ganun, via audio. Okay? Sige nga, kung naintindihan ako ay, kat nga thumbs up tayo, react tayo ng thumbs up. Kung naintindihan ako, ayan. Yung iba, hindi na nag-react. Ayan. Anyway, tapos pag ganito rin ako nagpapareact ay isang lang, ha. Huwag yung i-spam sa balik salita, isang beses lang gagawin, ha. Pag ako ganito nagpapareact. Okay? Isa pang practice. Sige nga, thumbs up ulit tayo. Ayan. Salamat. Isa pang ulit, ha. Huwag i-spam, isang beses lang pipindutin ang pag-react. Thank you. At ulit, thank you, Carlo. Continue tayo. Dris, Jillian, Ina.
Present po. Jillian na lang.
Excuse lang saglit. Thank you, Jillian. Sunod. Ano to? Sahat, El Said, Adam.
Present, sir. You can call me Adam.
Ano ulit? Adam.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ano ba to? Foreigner? Hindi.
Yes, sir. I don't understand.
Foreigner. Sorry. I'm so sorry. This is just the first time we meet, so I specifically this this ano, this section. So I'm sorry about that, Adam. But you don't understand Tagalog, right?
Yes, sir. I don't
Okay.
understand Tagalog.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So anyway, so let me explain again, what I explained earlier. So most of the time, I will coordinate with Miss Lucel with with if I have communication. So you always communicate with Lucel, then Lucel will communicate with me. Okay, Adam.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. And then if I have announcement, I will announcement via Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Adam. Dapat
Thank
pala
you.
ganun, no? Okay. So next time, I will ask first. Anyway, so let's continue. Next, Endrinal, Crystalline.
Present po, sir. You can call
Hmm.
me po Krista.
Krista.
Yes po.
Okay. Thank you, Krista. Next, Espalana, Ashley Jerome.
Good morning po, sir. Present
Mhm.
po. You can call me
Mhm.
Ashley po.
Ash. Then your surname is, did I say it right? Esplana.
Tama po, sir. Esplana po.
Thank you, Ashley. Next, Palogme, Riel Alfred.
Hello po, sir.
Mhm.
You can call me Riel na lang po.
Thank you, Riel. Next, Gamela, Raniel.
Hello po, sir.
Mhm.
Rainiel na lang po.
Rainiel.
Yes pa.
Then your last name is Gamela.
Gamelia po.
Gamelia. Okay.
Yes pa.
Thank you, Rainiel. Next, Generoso, Bea Patrice.
Good morning po, sir. Present po. Bea na lang po.
Thank you, Bea. Next, what's this? Gladys May.
Present po, sir. Gladys na lang po.
Then did I pronounce your last name correctly? Gida?
Yes po, Gida.
Gida. Thank you, Gladys. Next, Gomez, Raven Harvey.
Present po, sir. Raven na lang po.
Thank you, Raven. Next, Gonsalvo Warren.
Good morning po, sir. Present.
Good morning.
Warrior na lang.
Again?
Warrior po. Warrior.
Warren. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's Warren. Thank you, Warren. Okay. Next, Hernandez, Vincent Luis.
Present po, Vincent na lang po.
Vincent. Okay. Thank you, Vincent. Next, Hoson, Miguel Leandro.
Present po, sir. Pwede po Miguel na lang.
Okay. Thank you, Miguel. Next, Liabe, Daniel Samantha.
Present po, sir. Daniel po yun.
Mhm.
Pwede pong Dane na lang po.
Daniel. Then, Dane.
Opo, sir.
Okay. Okay, dahil, anyway, sige. Thank you, Dane.
Thank you po.
Okay. Next, magkamit. Mark Lawrence.
Present po, sir. Mark na lang po.
Mark. Thank you, Mark. Next, Malabanan. Aldrin.
Present po. Aldrin na lang
Thank you, Aldrin. Next, Manalo. Trisha Ann.
Present po. Trisha na lang po.
Thank you, Trisha. Next, Marikina. Jarel. Again, Marikina.
Good morning po,
Jarel.
sir.
Good morning.
Sir,
My question is how would I call you?
Jaral na lang po. Thank you po.
Jarel. Okay. Thank you, Jarel. Okay. Next, Mendoza. Rizien. Jake.
Present po, sir. You can call me Jake na lang po.
Then your first name, Rizien.
Raisin po.
Again?
Raisin.
Raisin. Okay. But you prefer to be called Jake.
Jake po.
Sige. Thank you, Jake. Okay. Next, Menes, Yumi.
Good morning po, sir.
Good morning. Yumi. Thank you, Yumi. Next, Montañez, Sean Michael.
Present po, sir. Sean na lang po.
Thank you, Sean. Next, Munoz, John Ripol. Again, Munoz, John Ripol. Ayan. Okay. How would I call you? Paul na lang. Okay. Thank you, Paul. Next, Panopio, Robert Paul.
Present po, sir. Robert na lang po.
Thank you, Robert. Next, Pantoja, Mariel.
Present po, sir. Mariel na lang po.
Thank you, Mariel.
Thank you po.
Next, Ramos, Neil Aljon.
Present po, sir. Aljon na lang po.
Thank you, Aljon. Next, Roma Santa, John Gabriel.
Present po, sir. Gab na lang po.
It is Gabriel, right? Not Gabriel. Gabriel.
Yes po.
Okay. Thank you, Gab.
Thank you po.
Next, Romero, John Mark.
Present po, sir. John Mark na lang.
John Mark. Thank you, John Mark. Next, Saking, Russell Mark, tama ba yun? Saking, is that correct pala? Ay?
Yes po. Good morning,
Ah.
present po. Russell na lang po.
Thank you, Russell. Next, Seda, Shane Valerie.
Present po, sir. Shane na lang po.
Your volume is low. Can you speak loudly?
Present po, sir. Rinig na po. Shane
Still low. Ayan. Move closer to the mic again from the top.
Hello po, sir.
Ayan. Okay. Go ahead.
Shane na lang po.
Shane.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Shane. I think there's there's two Shane in this room. Shane. Thank you, Shane. Next, Sevilla, John Walter.
Good morning po, sir. Walter po.
Good morning. Thank you, Walter. Next, Valencia, Shaina May.
Good morning po, sir. Shine na po.
Shaina, that's Shaina. Right? Shaina?
Yes po, sir.
Again? You're choppy.
Shine na po, sir.
Shaina nga. Shaina. Okay. Ayan.
No.
Anyway, thank you, Shaina. Okay. So is there anyone that's not on my list that's in this in this Google Meet? Is there anyone? No? Okay. So as you can see, since we have a foreigner classmate or student, so we always try to communicate via English. So my reason about that is since they don't understand Tagalog, so they they may think if we're talking about Tagalog that there's a possibility that we are already talking about it. So in order to as you can see also, I'm also getting a hard time to speak English. No, not only you but also me. Okay, but still we try. Okay, we try to communicate via English, especially during this class. Okay. Okay. Can we can have a reaction of thumbs up if we understand that? Ayan. Thank you to everyone again. So that let's say the short explanation is he must be always involved even if we're just asking questions or just a simple like that asking questions so that he could also understand. Okay, especially in this class. Okay, thank you. Ano yun? Chat. Nothing. Entry. Okay. Anyway, so as of now, I cannot present my syllabus because I'm still working on it. Maybe we can formally start our class next week. But before that, I forgot even if there's no a syllabus, let me tell you my class policy. So as per for my class policy, so first is regarding with absenteeism. Okay. If you will not attend the class, okay, please inform me via email. Okay? So again, if you will not attending the class, please inform me via email. Why email? Because ang tawag dito? Email because if there is a need for an attachment, you can attach it on the email. Then you can send it to me. Yan, naubos na ang English ko. I'm not prepared. Anyway, okay? So that if there's a need to have an attachment, you can attach that and then send it via email. Okay? For example, if you got sick, okay? And then after informing me, there must be medical certificate attached with the email. Okay, that's why we're using email. Okay, if you got sick, you need to send me a copy of medical certificate. Okay, if you cannot attend the class, especially if we have activities such as major exam. So for midterm and final exam, as of now I don't know if would be quiz or a project or sit work. Let me first work with my syllabus, but still if there is an activity that you need to be here physically in the campus and you cannot attend, let's say you got sick, okay, you need to tell me via email, and then from that email there must be an attachment of medical certificate. Okay, if you cannot send right away, it's fine with me, but still I required you to send me a medical certificate so that it will be considered as valid. Okay, so I will consider your absent. We get sick if you send me via you send me a medical certificate. Okay. There is no reason of not having a money. Ano ba yun? There is no reason of not having a money because there will be access of in your nearest municipal hall. Alright. Municipal hall, there would be center. Yeah, and any medical professional in that center can issue you a medical certificate. Okay? A medical certificate is not prescription. No, prescription is different from medical certificate. Okay? You can tell if it is a medical certificate if it is clearly stated in the header medical certificate, or sometimes they use only word certificate. Okay, but most of the time they're clearly showing at the top medical certificate. Okay, so not prescription, medical certificate. So that's two different documents. Okay, then next is it is not also reason for you cannot go to medical professional. Okay, since you're sick, you need to you need to go to a medical medical professional to seek for help. Okay, you need to go because you're sick. Okay, and always ask for help for someone you're close to, maybe a friend, maybe family member, okay, or relative. Okay, so ask for help if you cannot go to hospital, let's say hospital or just hospital, just to seek for medical certificate. Okay? And then next is if you're attending or you're involved in school, school activity, okay? It's either sports or singing or dancing, okay? You need to send me a copy of tawag dito? Excuse letter. Yan, excuse letter. And then from that excuse letter, it must be clearly written your name. So I must find that your name is right there, okay? In order to verify that you're actually involved in the said activity, school activity. Okay? O, nahihirapan ako. Again, thumbs up if you understand my English. Thumbs up na. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan. Okay. And then, in summary, as a whole, if you're not attend the class, you need to email me to inform me that you're not attending, and then you can follow the document needed in order to validate that you cannot go to the class. Okay. It is okay for me for the document to be followed, but still you need to submit me the said document. Okay. Then next is okay. Sample ba ako? Sample. Ano kaya to? Anyway, ganito na lang. Okay. So again, I'm on PC right now. Okay, so that's why I can present it to you like this. But if we going to, but most of the time na lang. Most of the time, I'm using my cell phone to present. So I will present to you. This is just an example for a cover page of my exam. Okay? I know that written right here is seat work and homework, but I patterned my seat work and homework for the exam. Yeah. So this is so you can see here, you will write the code and the title. Let me check first. Let me check. Can you see my presentation right now?
Yes po, sir.
Yes po.
Ayan, thank you.
Yes po.
Rosel.
Yes po,
Rosel.
sir.
Ayan. I assigned that task to you, ha?
Apo, sir.
Okay. Just a practice, okay? So next time. Okay. So again, let's continue. So again, this is just an example. I know this is tutorial homework. but the cover page of my major exam, okay, it is no. My sit one homework is patterned in the cover for it is patterned in the cover page of the major exam. Okay, so that way, even if this is sit work and homework, we're familiar with the cover page. Right, that's why I might change the writing, but the format is the same. Where here you will write the code and the title of the course, and this should be the time and the date. Okay, if we have a sit work, so this would be the time and date when you will submit. Okay, when will you submit the said sit work or homework? Okay? And then if it is the major exam and this is the time and date, when will you take the exam? And then here, as you can see, last first and middle initial. So this means that you will write first your last name, and then first name, and then middle initial here, and then the corresponding section in this box. Okay. And then as indicated right here, do not shade or fill this circle. Okay, so do not write anything in this circle, but you will write right here in this setup circle, because here you will enter your SR code. Yan. So as much as possible, use a pencil in shading this circle. So we will shade, okay, and then here the small boxes. Let me zoom in more. Okay. So here in the boxes at the top, you will write your SR code. There's no need to write the dash. Just simply write the number. For example, 22012334. So again, 22012334. There's no need to write the dash. And right below that number, you will shade the corresponding number. So since this is 2, you will write here 2, then 2, and then 2, then 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Then as indicated right here, as much as possible, use pencil in shading. Okay? If you don't have pencil, you can use your pen or ball pen. But again, as much as possible, use your pencil, because if you make a mistake, at least if you are using pencil, you can erase it if you are using pencil. Compared to ball pen or pen, it is a permanent. Right? And then next is make sure that you shade the correct number, because most of the time, let's say let's say you written here 7, for example, you written here 7. And if you're now tracing your 7 right here, you already shade the wrong column. So make sure you shade the correct column for the number. Okay, that's the common mistake. Okay, when they're shading their corresponding SR code, especially when they have number 7, 8, 9. So they written 7 here, but when they trace downward, they shade the wrong column, or maybe right here. Okay? So make sure you shade the correct column for the corresponding number. And sometimes they interchange. Tama ba yun? Sometimes they shade they interchangeably shade the wrong number. For example, 7 and 5. 7, 5. When they're tracing 7, they shade this. And when they're shading 5, okay, so it becomes now 57 instead of 75. Okay? So again, make sure that you shade the correct number for the said column. Okay? Because that's the common mistake in shading this SR code. Okay? So again, this is as written right here for sit work and homework, but this is also applicable for major exam. Okay? Then in major exam, as much as possible, no. If, in case, just in case. So in case in case there is some problem solving, okay, the solution must be written in permanent pen, either black pen or ball pen. It must be in permanent ink, not in pencil. Any pencil mark and any solution written in pencil will be automatically ignored. Okay? I will not honor any solution in pencil mark. So always use pen, ball pen, or black pen. Okay? Again, if there's there is problem solving. Ano pa? In drawing, you can still use pencil or ball pen. It's up to you. But for the solution, I want you to specifically use permanent. Okay? And then, during exam, you're not allowed to borrow anything. Again, you're not allowed to borrow anything. Especially the correction tape. There's no borrowing for correction tape. Okay? No borrowing of anything. Even if it is eraser, no. There's no borrowing of anything. What else? What else? Borrowing of anything. Use of permanent ink instead of pencil in solution. Or maybe, also this may be included in, let's say, multiple choice, identification, or enumeration. Any answer must be in black ink. Okay? Pencil is only allowed in drawing. In drawing, you can use pencil, but if it is an answer or a solution, it must be in black ink or permanent ink. Do not use friction pen also. Do not use friction pen. Okay? Anything that can be erased is not accepted. Or even if friction pen is black ink, since it can be erased, and sometimes under extreme heat it fades away. So just use ball pen, at least ball pen in any answer. Okay? Again, as you can see, not only you, it's not only you taking hard time in speaking English, also me. Okay? That's why we need to practice. Okay? Ano pa ba? Exam, and then absentees. I think most of that I already, I will just add any information if I present to you my syllabus. Okay? Next time. Okay? Any questions muna? Any questions? Any questions?
Wala naman po ata.
Wala naman. Okay, thank you. So anyway, let me finish my syllabus and then let's continue. Next week we have face-to-face, right?
Yes po,
Next
sir.
week?
Even
Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Ayun na. Tagalog ang aking signing off. Anyway, siya. So kung wala na ng tanong, di hanggang dito na muna. Kaya see you next meeting.